You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
What's really inside an international moving quote? You've asked for quotes, and now you're staring at numbers. Some quotes are one-page emails. Some are 5-page detailed documents. How can you tell which quote protects you and which sets you up for surprised costs? Here's the problem. Many companies gloss over important line items, hoping you won't notice. Later, you found out the cheap quote didn't include custom fees, packing, insurance, or delivery beyond the port. Instead of moving smoothly into your new home, you're scrambling to find paperwork, paying surprise port storage fees, or arguing over damages without insurance coverage. Here is what comprehensive, trustworthy quote should always include. Volume weight estimation, based on an in-person survey, video survey, or detailed inventory, not a guess. Origin and destination. Exact addresses matter, especially for custom processing and access requirements. Shipping method. Air freight, faster but expensive, versus sea freight, slower but cost effective. Packing and crating services, including custom crates for delicate items like pianos, art, and antiques. Port fees and custom handling, all taxes, duties, and handling charges at both departure and arrival. Insurance options, total loss versus all risk coverage. We'll talk more about this in a later episode. Storage options, if your new home isn't ready yet. And delivery services, door-to-door, full service, or port-to-door, you pick up yourself. At SDC International Shipping, our quotes are itemized, transparent, and honest. You'll know what every dollar is paying for. No fine print, no last-minute additions. In episode 3, we're going to reveal the sneaky hidden charges that cost family thousands and how to outsmart them. In the meantime, if you want more information, check out our website or call 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.